Hey guys, Mallory back from Quebec Homestead. We got a crazy year planned ahead of us. We got lots of vlogging to do, a wedding to plan, and just a whole bunch of getting used to this YouTube thing. One thing for sure is that I want to get better at my video. So I bought myself a gimbal. I'm not using it right now. It's coming in the mail pretty soon. With an external microphone. And I was going with the thought of maybe getting myself an M50 Canon camera to get better footage and all. But I looked back on my videos, and the most viewed videos that I have were with my cell phone. So I'm just gonna stick with my cell phone for a bit. Why spend that extra money when I don't even know how to completely optimize and utilize all my equipment that I already have, right? We got a nice fresh load of snow, so we're gonna go build some snowmen. Are you trying to push her? Okay. Good job. Ariel, you're filming. All right, my kids wanted a unicorn instead of a snowman. So I tried to sculpt them what I could. And then we got this guy who's not done yet, but that's a traditional snowman, but it's not quite done yet. Aw, he's so cute. Does that look like a unicorn to you? I'm just waiting for my neighbor. She's gonna come down and watch the kids for just a few hours while we get our brakes set up on our skidder. So while we're waiting, we're just gonna see what Ben's up to. All right, Daddy is getting some welding done, and he's trying to get his controls up and running so that we can go log some wood for you guys. It's been quite a crazy amount of weeks that we've been trying to get everything fixed up and ready to go. So hopefully next week will be the week. So on my French video that I posted, my episode 2 of the special Quebecois, we were building a hitch to hitch in back of this trailer, and now we are at the point where Ben is almost ready to go out in the woods and work with it. He welded these controls on.
Hey, I made my own counterpin.
You did?
Huge counterpin.
Good. We might have to extension these because when it's pinned onto the skidder, it doesn't lift up quite as much as it should actually. This here is a little lower than where it's supposed to be. Sort of like a puzzle, I guess. We're gonna have to try to figure it out. There goes the helmet.
What the just do stupider than that? I would have broke it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work on my English swearing. I do it a little unconsciously because, you know, I used to be a soldier and there's a lot of swearing there.
I bet you there was.
Oh my god.
Alright, stop the welding. The kids are here. Oh my. What are you looking for?
The little hammer.
Oh! You guys recognize that hammer? That's the hammer we found in the wall.
Yeah! it's doing pretty good.
So we're gonna bring this baby in the woods, and we're gonna try to take the branches off of the trees.
It's called limbing.
Limbing trees? Yeah, I guess so.
Delimbing?
I think it's just limbing.
No.
No?
It has a B.
It's silent.
Oh. Okay.
Darwin!
Silent B?
Yep.
Really?
Limb. Oh my gosh, my dog wants to get into the action. He gets really jealous. I'm gonna turn him out. Okay. Come on, get in on this action, baby. So I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. I don't quite know if I'm going to do these videos bilingual in each video, or I'm just gonna do like 1 week an English video, 1 week a French video. I'm still trying to figure that out, the logistics of it all. Because I have a lot of people around here, because I am in Quebec, and a lot of French viewers and friends are like, we want to understand your videos. And I did the 2 first videos and I really got a really good response and everybody really liked them. So I think there's a potential there. And then there's also a really good potential in English because there's not many people doing what we do here as a family, as a couple, as, you know, homesteading and logging together. So I'm gonna try to figure something out for the new year. Tell me guys what you guys think in the comments. What should I do? Like, honestly, I'm really new to YouTubing and filming, and so I'm not quite sure what the best plan for me is. It's sort of just scratching my head a little bit these days. I want 2020 to be a really good year for us, so yeah, let me know. He's just going crazy. Who's the king of the mountain? Oh, it's Jude. Woo! Gotta get some more snow out. Pushing snow, Ben's favorite job. Getting her done. Ben really appreciates it when I move the cars while he's in the tractors. He doesn't have to get out. I think that's like the hardest part for him. Every time to get out of the vehicles for his back. Okay. Don't break my snowman. Moving the cars. It's getting powdered. 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 Bye bye, snow. Boo. You okay?
That's the part I hate the most.
I know. Alright, so let me show you guys what we're gonna try to do here. So, it's really hard to see. This here is the disc that slows down the shaft, which slows down everything. So it's the brakes. And there's a caliper. And there's the caliper right there with 2 pistons that squeezes down on the brakes, and there are disc pads, and that's what we're changing. But the hardest part is getting the caliper back on the disc, and you only have like those little holes to work through. So while I'm on this side trying to get these 4 bolts, let's see these 4 bolts aligned with the caliper, Ben's on the other side trying to fit the caliper on, which is really, really hard. So we ran into a few issues with that. Today we're Sunday, tomorrow's a new week, so we're just gonna try to get that done this week. Let him turn off the motor.
Letting it cool down by its own.
Okay. He's letting it cool down. I wanted him to shut off the motor, but I wanted to show you guys why Ben hates blowing snow so much. There's no window here. There's no window there. So he blows the snow and gets it all over himself.
Yeah, it happened again. Wow. But my temper is pretty good right now, so it's gonna be okay. You were showing them?
Yeah, I was showing them that we were having a hard time.
I don't want to see it.
Yeah, like I said, tomorrow is another week, so we're gonna try to get that done and figure out some new creative ways to try to hold the caliper up without him having to force on the end of his reach.
We're gonna tie him up.
Yeah, probably tie it from the top, pull it, and I'll be there trying to get the nuts in their places. I'll be there.
With arms wide open.
Yeah, so that was the video today. We're gonna try to get on that next week and hopefully succeed so we can start logging again. So subscribe to our video if you like this. put a thumbs up and write down a comment below to tell me what you guys think I should be doing with my bilingual videos. Should I do one video English a week, the next week French, or should I just completely translate and do it one video at a time? I have no idea. Let me know what you guys think. My coat's gonna be so dirty. It's already getting all greased up. It's really impossible to stay clean while doing greasy mechanic stuff.